Everyone see. So 10th problem I am going to write. Again, I will explain 10th problem. Important problems, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th problems. And miscellaneous exercise, 12th problem is the important problems. 12th, 11th, and the 12th are the important. Today, I should complete it. What is the frequently asking the questions in miscellaneous example and miscellaneous exercise problems also. First, I have to complete that questions. Okay, na? Everyone see. Tomorrow, I will start the matrices and determinants. Okay, na? What about the objective means? Objective is I will send the videos to videos. We can see that videos. Okay, na? Not today, tomorrow, not tomorrow. I will send a day after tomorrow only. You can be see any doubts is there be. I will explain in one class. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the 10th problem is miscellaneous exercise, miscellaneous examples, miscellaneous example. 10th page number 49. What is the show that sine inverse of 3/5 minus sine inverse of 8/17. 8/17 is equal to cos inverse of 84/85. 84/85. Everyone observe this type of the problem is given mean immediately we should be take left hand side of the terms in separate part. You should be find out by the right angle triangle, because of right side is given by cos inverse. All cos values find out. Okay, na? So right hand side you can draw the line, and first you have to take let sine inverse of 3/5 is equal to 8. So by the inverse comes on the right side. Sine 3/5 is equal to sine A. Is it clear, Amma? 3/5 is equal to sine A. Everyone draw the right angle triangle. In this one, 3 is the opposite side of the A angle, and 5 is the greatest side, that is the hypotenuse. Automatically 4 is the adjacent side. 3, 4, 5 are the right angle triangle sides. Okay, na? Immediately cos A write down. Cos A value is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Leave it. We know the sin A value and we know the cos A value. Right, leave it. Okay, na? So next, I go through the second one. Let it be sine inverse of 8/17 is equal to B. If necessary, sine inverse come this side. 8/17 is equal to sine B. Immediately draw the right angle triangle. Immediately draw the right angle triangle. By the right angle triangle, B angle opposite side is the A. Greatest side is the hypotenuse is the 17, and adjacent side is 25. So adjacent side is the 25. Formula you know that na, opposite side square plus adjacent side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Find out 289 minus 64. 17 square minus 64 to 25, that is the 25. Now write down the sin B value. Already we know that, round up. Cos B value write down. The cos B value is the adjacent side by hypotenuse is the 17. Okay, na? See 289. Okay, na? Correct, na? So here hypotenuse, sorry, hypotenuse here is what is 15? Sorry, this is the 15. 15. Right, this is the 15 only. Sorry, 15. Yes, correct, Amma. 15 only. Okay, na? 15 only. Now come to the left hand side of the problem and apply the right side is the cos inverse. That's why this is the A and this is the B, and the cos inverse is there. Therefore, cos of A minus B formula take complete it should come. Okay, na? So see the, so this is the A. So this is the A, this is the B, but right side is the cos inverse. This side comes as a cos of A plus B take. So that is the cos A, cos B, opposite side. So sin A, sin B, sin A, sin B. Okay, right? Now write down cos of A minus B is equal to cos A value is the 4 by 5. Cos B value is the 15 by 17. Sin A value is the 3 by 5. Sin B value is the 8 by 17. So now take cos of A minus B. So how can you write understandable? This is the A, this is the B, middle side is the minus, A minus B, this side is the cos inverse come this side is the cos of A minus B take. Okay, now write down 5 into 17 is the 85, LCM is the 85, 15, 4 is the 60 plus 24. Final answer is 84 by 85. But answer is not. Cos bring on the right side. A minus B is equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Okay, na? A means write down. What is the A value? Sin inverse of 3 by 5 minus B value is the cos inverse of 8. Sin inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Hence proved right down. Hence proved right down. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts? No doubt, na? Right. I go through the next 11th problem. I should move towards 11th problem. Everyone focus on the board. I will write 11th problem. So miscellaneous example number 11, page number 50. Show that, everyone write down, show that sin inverse of, sin inverse of 12 by 13 plus cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16 is equal to, we have to show that its answer is pi. But before problem is the left hand side is the sine terms, right hand side is the cos term. Therefore, we can write A plus B is equal to cos inverse, bring this side cos. Immediately we can write, we can say. Okay, na? But here there is no right side. All are in the left side only. How can you do this problem, is sir? Right. First I will take, right, everyone see. First I will take, first one is I am going to take the left hand side of the problem. Sin inverse of 12 by 13 plus cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16. But before, there is no sin inverse x, sin inverse y formula. We have tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. We have tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Already we know that. That is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy is the formula. So that's why every term must be converted in terms of tan. Then we can apply this formula. Okay. First one, let it be, put the mark and you have to let it be sine inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to A. So 12 by 13 is equal to sine A. Immediately find out the tan, draw the right angle triangle. So this is the opposite side is the 12 and adjacent side is the, now it will become as a 5 by the right angle triangle. Now write down the tan A value. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, put in the box. One tan A is completed. So if necessary, A is equal to tan inverse. Next one is, everyone see, what is the second one? Cos inverse of 4 by 5, let it be as a B. 4 by 5 is equal to cos B. Now draw the right angle triangle. So by the right angle triangle, B angle opposite side not given, adjacent side is a 4, 5, opposite side is a 3. Therefore, tan B, write down number, tan B is equal to 3 by 4, opposite side by adjacent side. If necessary, B angle is the tan inverse, we can write. The last one, already tan. So now I will write, everyone see, this is let it be as a, this is let it be as a B, this is same tan inverse, no need to convert, 63 by 16. A means write down in terms of tan. So tan inverse of 12 by 5 plus B means write down tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus already we have tan inverse of 16, 3 by 16, 63 by 16. These two apply the formula. These two apply the formula. So formula is tan inverse of, formula is tan inverse of x 12 by 5 plus 3 by 4 by denominator is the 1 minus 12 by 5 into 3 by 4 by the known formula, but we should not use this one is a separate 63 by 16. Okay, na? Right. So now take LCM 48 plus 15 tan inverse of 48 plus 15 by 20 LCM. Here is a 20 minus 36. 20 minus 36. The numerator LCM, denominator LCM, both are cancelled. Tan inverse of 63 by 16. Right. This is the, what is the value is observe. Now I am writing here. So tan inverse of, this is the 63, 63. So by 63 by minus 16 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16. Tan is negative in what quadrant? Mean second quadrant. So next second quadrant, that's why pi minus tan inverse of 63 by 16 right now plus tan inverse of 63 by 16 right now. So negative mean we should write 180 minus theta. So tan inverse of, so 180 minus theta is a negative 63 by 16. Okay, na? So that's why we can write pi is the outside. So pi minus tan inverse of 63 by 16 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16. Both are cancelled. Its answer will become as a pi, that is the RHS. Okay, right? Right. Next one is miscellaneous exercise problem number 12. This is also asking frequently. So this is the one more question. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Problem number 12. Page number is the same. Page number is the same. Page number is the same. So what is the problem number 12? Page number is the 50 is the same. Right, everyone see. Simplify tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x by denominator is b cos x plus a sin x. This is the given problem. So this is the given problem. So what is the simplification answer is required? Simplification answer is required. Okay. So everyone, I will observe tan inverse formula is the tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus, here 1 is needed. 1 plus tan a into tan b, here 1 is needed. So tan of a plus b formula one time recollect. Tan of a plus b formula is, so tan a plus tan b by denominator is the first 1 plus tan 1 minus tan a into tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. Or tan a minus b formula means here is the minus, here is the plus, whatever it may be, here is the denominator, first place is the 1 only. So that's why numerator is divided with b cos x, denominator also divided with b cos x. So first I will take solution of the problem. I will take tan inverse of given problem is the a cos x minus b sin x by denominator is the b cos x plus a sin x. Numerator and denominator both divide with b cos x. Why means denominator first term is the plus. Denominator first term is the plus. Okay, na? And now write down numerator and denominator divide by so b cos x divide now tan inverse of a cos x by b cos x minus b sin x by b cos x by denominator is b cos x by b cos x plus a sin x by b cos x. Right now write down. So here cos x cancel, here b cancel, here both is cancel, here not cancel. Okay, now I will write. Everyone observe tan inverse of, here is a by b minus tan x by denominator is 1 plus a by b tan x. Now it is in the form of what formula? One time recollect. Tan inverse of, everyone recollect. So tan inverse of x minus y is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y by 1 tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So this is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Already we know the formula. Basing this formula, right hand side we have. So tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy we have. Left hand side write down. X place is the a by b. Y place is the tan x we have. Y place is the tan x we have. So right hand side we have, write down the left hand side of the formula. Preeti, now it is CMR. Blue is there. Preeti, now CMR. Now CMR Preeti. Preeti, now it is clear. Now also blue na Preeti. Now CMR Preeti. Now see. Now CMR Preeti. Clear na? Clear na? Okay. 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 Now it is clear na? Right. Now see. Tan inverse, write down. So right side formula we have, left side write down. Tan inverse of x place is the a by b minus tan inverse of y place is the tan x. So tan and tan inverse cancel. What we get the answer is, so tan inverse of a by b minus x is the answer. Okay, na? Tan inverse of a by b minus x is the answer. This is the simplified answer. Same problem, example number 13. There is problem number 13. So we completed the problem number 13, means miscellaneous exercise, 2 problems is there. We should complete it. Means tomorrow I am going to start tomorrow I will start the complete matrices. So already I tell them, so what we have to be object to those we are preparing, JEE student or KSET student, I will send the 2 videos for object to. We can see. So any doubt is there in that one, I will explain one class on the board. Okay, na? So the main points I will explain. Okay, na? So remaining is the depending upon formulas only. So maximum I will tell short method also. So it should be C. Okay, na? Right, 13th example number 13, page number 51. Page number 51. Solve. Right. This type of the problem they are asking. So solve, everyone see. Solve. What is the problem is tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4. Is equal to pi by 4. Everyone see, so tan inverse of solve means find the x value. Solve means find the x value. Find the x value. Everyone observe. Solve means find the x value. Take left hand side and right hand side. Total problem take. So solve means find x value. That's why left hand side also take and right hand side also take. So left hand side also I am taking and right hand side also I am taking. Next point is, so next, this is the formula of tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is given. Immediately we should write tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy is the formula. So left hand side is given, right down the right hand side formula. So that is equal to tan inverse of x place is the 2x, y place is the 3x. By denominator is the 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse bring on the right side, 5x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan of pi by 4. Tan 45 degrees value is the 1. So 5x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan 45 with the 1. Cross multiplication apply. 5x is equal to, by the cross multiplication, 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square by the cross multiplication. All terms bring on the left side. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Write down the quadratic equation factors. Sorry for this one. Hold is there. Right, see the 6 into 1 is the minus 6. Okay, na? Minus 6. Minus 6. Factors write down. Multiplication is the minus 6. Addition is the plus. So minus 6 into 1 plus 6 into 1 minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1. Multiplication is the minus 6. Addition is the plus 5. Addition is the plus 5. Now write down 6x square. 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Right, write down the factors. 6x take common. Here is the x plus 1. Minus take common. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is the common. 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1 by 6. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1 by 6. Is it clear, everyone? Here, see. Minus 1 we can substitute mean tan inverse of minus 2 is the minus tan inverse. Tan inverse of minus 3 is the minus tan inverse. Negative value is coming, but positive pi by 4 is given. That's why x is equal to minus 1 is the rejected. Only x value is the 1 by 6. Everyone see once again. X is the negative mean. So tan inverse of minus 2, tan inverse of minus 3, but right side is a positive value, but inside is the negative values wrong. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 6 is the correct answer. So rejected. Reason is already we know that the right hand side is the positive pi by 4, but left hand side is the negative is coming. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is rejected. X is equal to 1 by 6 is the correct answer. Okay, na? Right, everyone see miscellaneous exercise page number 52, first to 12th problem see. Miscellaneous exercise page number 52, 12th problem C. Everyone, 12th problem C. Miscellaneous exercise problem number 12, page number 52. 9 pi by 8, prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. Take left hand side and prove the right hand side. Take the left hand side and prove the right hand side, everyone. I am taking the left hand side of the problem. 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse of 1 by 3. Sine inverse of 1 by 3. Is it clear? Next one. 9 by 4 take common. 9 by 4 is common. Here pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 3 minus sine inverse of 1 by 3. Right. Everyone observe. So already I will tell 90 degrees formula. So sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse of x minus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. I am using this formula. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse of x. Therefore, 9 by 4 cos inverse of x place is the 1 by 3.